Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are these not the cutest yoga socks you have ever laid your eyes on? Not only are these socks from Elizabeth Mott super cute, they are so comfortable and cushy. When I'm doing yoga or Pilates at home, my feet get really cold. In fact, I have some circulation issues, and having a pair of socks that don't slip on the ground at all is really important so that I can keep form but still keep my feet warm. These have the best anti-slip grip on the bottom that I have ever had on a pair of socks. I even tried to slide with them and I couldn't. Even though the socks have seams at the toe and the heel, they're not bulky and you do not feel them when you're wearing them or when you're exercising. I think the ribbon accent along the ankle is really adorable and of course reminiscent of a ballerina, which makes me feel really cute and girly inside. This works great on not just a laminate or wood floor, but also on a yoga mat to help you to not slip around. I got the 3-pack with colors burgundy, black, and gray, and I love that these are neutral enough to go with all of my workout outfits. I wear a size 7.5 women's shoe, and these fit me very well. I'm so excited that I have these super cozy, cushy, and adorable socks from Elizabeth Mott. They are the perfect addition to my workout routine, and that's my point of view.